So first of all, let's go back to the pages list. Here you will hover your mouse on the page that you would like to restrict, and you will click on the quick edit link. This box will open up for you, and over here in the password field you will need to set your own password, and once you did it, just click on update. Now let's visit the page once again to make sure we need to enter the password, and we can see that it requires us to enter a password prior seeing the content of the page. So we will enter the password and then we can see the content. Excellent job, guys. And now I would like to show you the second way by using an external widget. And first of all, let's remove the password that we set, and we'll need to use an external widget by a plugin called Essential Add-ons for Elementor. We will need to use the Pro version, but first of all, let's download the free version of the plugin. Let's go to the Plugins tab, Add New. Here we will search for Essential Add-ons. We'll install and activate it on our website. It's already installed on my side, so all I have left to do is just to activate it, and we can see that it's active over here. And once I activated it, let's go to the new tab called Essential Add-ons, and here we'll switch to the Elements tab, and here we have a list of all the widgets that came with this plugin. Obviously some of them are available in the free version and some in the Pro version. We can see that the protected content is part of the Pro version, and we need to get the Pro version of the plugin. You can get the Pro version from two different places. You can use the official website. You have all the links in the description down below. That will cost you full price, $39 minimum, depends on the license that you would like to buy. Or you can get the exact same plugin from us, Plugins for WP, for only $4.99. Again, it's the exact same plugin. The only difference is that we don't provide technical support because we only redistributed the plugin, we didn't create it. Whatever you choose, it's fine with us. Just download it either from the official website or from us. Go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, select the plugin that you downloaded and click on Install. Alternatively, if you have our plugin manager installed on your website, just go to our Plugins for WP plugin, use the search box over here to search for your desired plugin. You can find it over here. Just click on Install, and once you install it, click on Activate in order to activate the plugin. Once you activated the plugin, go back to the Essential Add-ons plugin and again into the Elements tab, and unlike before, now all the widgets are enabled, including the protected content widget. Excellent. So now let's go back to the Elementor page. We'll click on Edit with Elementor and wait for the Elementor visual editor to open up. And we'll have many new widgets that were added thanks to the Essential Add-ons plugin. So let's search for the specific one we would like to use, and you'll see the widget over here. Let's drag it to the desired position, and this widget comes with 3 tabs. We have protected content, protection type, and message. So let's start with the first one, with the protected content. We expand this tab and we can see the content to be protected. Right now it's text. However, if you'd like to add an image as well, just click on Add Image and choose your desired image. And now these two elements, the text and the image, will be protected. Alternatively, if you have a template that you would like to use instead of this text, just choose template. I don't have any template, so I will keep it as content. Now let's expand the protection type, and here we have 2 options, user role or password. User role means that it will only be available to specific roles, such as administrator, or if you would like to restrict it to logged in users only, add subscribers as well, and then it will force the visitors to log in prior watching the content. If you would like to set a password instead of user role, just change it here and generate your password. I'm going to keep it simple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like so. And the last tab will be the message to be displayed to the users that cannot watch the content. So for example, right now the message is the default message, and I will change it to please enter the provided password, or alternatively, if you chose the other protection type, you can enter something like please log in before watching the content, just like so. Then click on Update. Go to visit the page one more time. Again, I will enter the password that I generated earlier, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after I enter the password, I can view the content over here.